little friends. I'm Luna. Let's learn counting together. 1. Can you say 1? 2. Can you say 2? 3. Can you say 3? 4. Can you say 4? 5. Can you say 5? Tap the like button and subscribe to learn more. Ready for the next numbers? Let's go! Can you say 6? 7. Can you say 7? 8. Can you say 8? 9. Can you say 9? 10. Can you say 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Great job! You did amazing counting! See you again!